So I want to actually start out by showing you that I actually have made sales with this. This is 3 different sales, right? This is I got paid $100, I got paid $20, and I got paid $8. And it's 1 day ago. And then this was another one that was 5 days ago. And this person got started for $35, took the 2-week free trial on premium. So in 2 weeks later, I'll get the $100 sale. So they got started for just $35 with a 2-week free trial, and they can possibly get members in and make income while they're just in trial mode. So $35 could possibly should turn into $135 a month. I'm sorry, $128 a month per person. Okay, and we'll help you build your primary business. But now to get back to the strategy, which is everything is based around blogging. So we're going to show you the blog, and we're going to start reading the actual text, and I'll explain why we're doing that in just a moment. All right, this is Passive Residual Income Proof, the 9:06 p.m. Go sale. Okay, it was exactly 12 a.m. on Thursday, March 26. While Reno slept, my own land was wide awake. I rolled over, checked my phone, and saw 3 automated notifications. A total stranger, someone I never spoke to, never messaged, never met, had joined my team at all 3 primary levels, the 10, the 25, and the 125 premium tour. No discovery call, no quick 15-minute chat, no persuasion. He followed the breadcrumbs from my blog and YouTube videos, saw the 128 a month scaling system, and made a sovereign decision. This is what happens when systems are greater than talent, okay? Passive Residual Income Proof, breaking down the 128 a month ledger. Let's break down the numbers, because the architect skeptic doesn't care about hype. He cares about the ledger. This partner joined for $35. I wrote this a few days ago. Today, because of the 14-day premium trial. But here's why $35 is actually $128 a month recurring win. They pay 80% commissions, the $10 level, the $25 level, and the $125 level, okay? The math, 10 plus 25 plus 125 equals 160 you pay. 160 divided times 08 is $128, okay? You get 80% commissions regardless of the level. So one person is 128 month residual. That's not a sale, that's a dividend. One-time work, get paid over and over again, okay? And we'll help you build your primary businesses with the best bonuses, the best training, and the best system, okay? So, Passive Residual Income Proof, why the content did the telling. When I connected with his new partner later that day, I asked him what made him join without talking to me first. His answer was the ultimate validation for anyone building a digital brand. I've been watching your videos and reading your blog. I saw your bonuses and knew this was the right system. He didn't need a salesperson, he needed an architect. My rented land, YouTube, captured attention. My own land, blog, converted that attention into equity, okay? He saw a scaling system that included custom branded team funnel, done for you email follow-up, Monday through Friday, live team training. A top 6 earner in multiple programs will train you and your team, okay, and your team's team. Traffic box bonus, that requires all 3 residual levels. Now, all these and more are available for you no matter what level you join, okay? No matter what level you join. This is $160 a month, and it will earn you $128 per person. But you can get started for just $35 with a 2-week free trial on the premium, okay? This wasn't a pitch, it was a decision. Get in where you fit in, okay? There's my picture right there. Okay, Passive Residual Income Proof, GEO, AEO, and search engine equity. In 2026, Google and AI answer engines, GEO, AEO, don't reward generic affiliate fluff. They reward primary sources. Most people have heard of SEO. They haven't heard of GEO and AEO, but it's basically like AI, okay? They look at different stuff. I documented this March 26 sale with a real timestamp, a real dollar amount, a real residual letter, a real conversion path. We're feeding the algorithms exactly what they want. Proof. Most people chase trends. We build search engine equity. When an AI engine scrapes the web for how to build $3,000 a month, it won't find guru promises. It will find Reno-tested, documented case studies. Okay, I'm showing you exactly how to do this, okay? Most people will not blog, okay? Blogging is kind of outdated. It still works. It works like gangbusters. It's the best way, okay? So not only are people able to read my blogs, okay, I'm saying the blogs, so right now search engines are crawling your content, not just your written content, your posts and stuff like that in your blogs, but they actually listen to what you're saying on your video, okay? So they're really smart now. So why wouldn't I go work one time and post it to multiple, say the same words and get double, triple the, it's like a snowball going downhill. So they not only reading the content, they're actually listening to me say it too. That's double powerful, okay? This system converts because it removes human error. Whether it's Wednesday at 9:06 p.m. or Monday at noon. The funnel is the same, the bonus is the same, the 80% commissions are the same, the duplication system is the same. This partner didn't ask for permission, he asked for the bonus links. So I got an email from him. He said, I joined you in HBA, can I get my bonuses? He knew who I was. Okay, I wasn't just a random person. I didn't know he existed, but he knew I existed because I work smart. Okay, I get out of your comfort zone. A comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Okay, do you want to be working your 9 to 5 till you're 70 years old and then retire, 60, 65, or 70, depending on how much you get per month? Okay, and live off of 40% of what isn't enough right now, and that's if you make it to 70. AI is coming, and a lot of people companies are scaling down, laying people off left and right, and they're hiring AI to do the work for cheap, one time cost or a tenth of the price. Data proof, March 26, 2026. Result, 128 residual post-trial. Conversion, 100% automated via blog and YouTube. Goal, $3,000 in 72 months. That's 24 members, okay? 24 times 128 is 3,072 a month, okay? Systems is greater than talent. Own land plus rent land plus duplication bonuses. Now, fact. Passive residual income, and I'm going to show you ranking proof too. I showed you the payment proof, right? I'm going to show you ranking proof too, okay? Just bear with me, okay? Got to go back to the post. Okay, how to get started at all 3 levels for just $35. This is the part most people miss, and it's one of the biggest advantages for beginners. Here's how it works. Watch my video, click the button under the video, okay, in my description, right? This system walks you through the sequence, okay? And here's the key. The 125 premium level includes a 14-day free trial. That's huge, okay? You only pay the $10 plus 25 levels up front. Total due today is $35. Total value unlocked all 3 residual levels. If you do this, you also unlock my traffic boss bonus, okay? Okay, if I start where I wasn't, my computer was full of storage, so I had to delete some things. Because when you join my team, I personally buy premium tier 1 USA buyer traffic every single month out of my own profit to help you build your list and scale as my team grows. No other team does this. This is exclusive to my team only. And all of our bonuses are generational, meaning you can give them to your people, they can give them to their people, and they can give them to their people. How many people do you need to hit $3,000 a month? You only need 24 active people at all 3 residual levels. 24 times 128 equals 3,072. Get out a calculator, do the math yourself, okay? How many times you've been in an MLM that takes thousands of people, to reach, 1,000, much less $3,000 a month, and somebody says, I'm going to build your downline. Come on, man. So they're going to build your downline. You're going to get you $3,000 a month. They're going to get rid of this, and so they're going to put, 15,000 people in your organization and everybody else's? That's not realistic. It's a fairy tale. The math is humane. The system's built for beginners. Do you need to talk to people to make sales? No. Your blog, YouTube videos, funnel, email follow-up bonuses do the telling for you. Okay? You could do faceless videos. You don't have to put yourself on camera like this, okay? The 9:06 p.m. Go Sale proves it. What bonuses do I get at any level? These unlock any of the 3 levels. Custom buy the funnel, done for you email follow-up, Monday through Friday live team training, and we have more than that. You can also earn up to $1,500 commissions at a level we normally charge $7 for. So if somebody joins it at the $3,000 level, you get $1,500 to any same payment processor you want, whether you want it to be YouTube, Cash App, Zelle, PayPal, etc., Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. These bonuses create duplication, the #1 factor in residual income. What do I need to qualify for the Traffic Boss bonus? To qualify Traffic Boss, you must be active at 10, 25, 125. Okay, you can get started for just $35. Now, if you have the whole 125 and you want me to help build your list and possibly get you traffic leads and even potentially sales for any program, maybe you don't want to start it, the 2-week trial, okay? Maybe you don't know what we're going to be